How do Louisiana courts determine child custody? That's what we talk about in today's video. Quick little overview of Louisiana law and determining child custody. What's up everybody, Jimbo Yoakum Law Firm here with a quick short video, quick little lawyer disclaimer. This is for informational purposes only. I am a licensed attorney in the state of Louisiana. All information in today's video is specifically pertaining to Louisiana law. This should not be taken as legal advice for your situation. Need legal advice, contact an attorney in your area. If you're in North Louisiana, give us a call, the Yoakum Law Firm, 318-639-9070. Check us out online at idon'tsettleforless.com, link in the description below, or on Facebook or Instagram, however you're watching this video. So, child custody in Louisiana. Magic question, how do courts determine which parents get the child and for how long? First and foremost, when you're dealing with child custody, once a petition or lawsuit has been filed to determine child custody, the court is going to always look through the lens of the best interest of the child, what we call the BIOC, the best interest of the child. That is the standard. So between mom and dad, or whatever the case may be, the two parents that are going on, the court is going to look at which parent having custody of the child primarily is in the child's best interest. In making that determination, the Louisiana Civil Code Article 134 is basically the guide the court goes by. Louisiana Civil Code Article 134. It says the court can determine or can consider any relevant factor, and then it kind of lays out 14 factors that act as a guide. These are the things that the court weighs. That includes stuff like has either party been abusive to the child, the mental and physical health of both parties, the ability of one party to offer love and affection to the child and to foster or encourage a loving and healthy relationship with the other parent. So if you're the one parent that wants to keep the child from the other one, can't talk to them, can't see them, not going to be around my kid, that does not go well for you. That's an X in the box on the wrong side. The court's going to say who is able to encourage a good relationship between mom or dad or whatever the case may be. Other factors they look at, the ability to offer spiritual guidance and good moral fitness, the distance between the parties. If one person lives in the jurisdiction of the court and the other one lives off in Timbuktu, well, then the court's going to say, you know, you got this, the child's grown up in the school systems here. We're in Webster Parish, Louisiana. Side note, we have parishes, not counties. People in Louisiana do not like it when you call them counties. We have parishes. So Webster Parish is where I'm at. So the court's going to say one parent's here in Webster Parish. That's where the kid's grown up, gone to school. And so we're going to probably trend towards keeping that child in that stable environment that it's familiar with. So it's always to the best interest of the child. There are 14 factors they consider. It's always better if you can come up with an agreement between the parties. As I say in my website, that scorched earth is, if avoidable, is never the good way, because the courts want what's best for the child. They do not care about you or the other parent. They care about the child's best interest. So whatever party is trying to do that bodes well in your favor. So look at those factors, Article 134, there are 14 factors, but the court can determine or rely on any relevant factor, the party's ability to support the child financially, like I said, the love and affection they have. I mean, there's 14 specified factors there, and it's always the best interest of the child. So if you are going through a child custody situation, you're trying to figure out, well, what does the court look for? They look for the child's best interest, the stability you have. Do you have adequate room in your house? Does that child, if you have a 2-bedroom house and you have a 13-year-old boy and an 8-year-old girl, the court doesn't like you having them in the same room. So which party or parent has room for the house? Is the house clean? Is it a good environment, a good relationship? Are you getting the kids to and from t-ball practice or to and from church on Sunday? All of those are factors the court considers when determining which parent has the best interest of the child. This is for a joint custody thing. When you're dealing with sole custody, that there's usually an obvious answer. There's an abuse situation, a drug addiction situation, things like that. But we're talking about who's going to get the child the most of the week, every other weekend type situation. what's called a domiciliary parent, which we'll probably cover in another video, the parent with the decision-making ability. But all those things are determined based on the best interest of the child. So if you have a child custody question or a situation going on and you're in North Louisiana, give us a call, 318-639-9070. Again, you can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, our website, www.idon'tsettleforless.com. If you're looking for a lawyer for any situation, whether it's personal injury, family law, estate planning, we'd love to help you out. Give us a call. When you're looking for a law firm, don't settle for less. We want to help you in whatever situation you have going on in life. God bless.